with this AI-based automation where end users can potentially do their own automation flows, etc., and right for within their specific operational remits, of course, right?
Yeah.
And that raises a question as to how do you balance between the autonomy you want to give those teams versus risk of creating a potentially a so-called, I would say, chaos, right?
Big
Where this
mess.
whole big mess where it becomes unmanageable, right? So how do
Yeah.
you balance it correctly?
E exactly, and this, again, just relating to what you were talking about earlier, I mean, this does come up a lot in the low code, no code space as well, because there's an
Yes.
association between that technology and citizen development. Um, I definitely believe that citizen development has its place, but
Mm.
in a large scale enterprise, automation, um, you have to be very careful. I mean, obviously the benefits of any kind of effective citizen development is huge scalability. One of our customers actually, in Malaysia, large customer Petronas, they've created a kind of a tiered model, which I think works very well, where they they have a standard onboarding process for everyone from a sort of an individual contributor in the business right through to their centralized IT function. So, sort of graded levels of technology expertise and also responsibility. And they have a sort of a standard process that everything goes through and then can be effectively routed to the right level of competence. It's at least eyeballed
Right.
by a central governance team.
Yeah.
It could
Yeah.
be given to a team that's more citizen developer heavy if it's deemed to be reasonable, but it still has that governance layer on top of it.
Yeah.
And I've seen that work quite well in practice. So you at least, even if you are doing, a combination of citizen and professional development, you still need a governance process that sits on top and at least reviews
Yeah.
who's doing what at the minimum.